Hello students, today we will learn trigonometric angles. How we have to find trigonometric angles. So we will learn a short trick to calculate the trigonometric numbers. And we know that the trigonometric ratios are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. These are 6 trigonometric numbers: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, and we have to find the value of like sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. Okay, so we will learn the trick of how to we have to find the values of these all angles. So first we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to write 4 in divide in all the numbers. This is our trick. Okay, and after that you have to put a under root sign in all of them. Okay, now trick is complete. First you have to find the value of sine 0. So what you will do? First you have to divide 0 by 4. So you will get 0, and when you will take square root of 0, so you will get 0. So sine 0 is 0. And if you want to find the value of sine 30, so you will take square root of 1. 1 square root is 1 and 4 square root is 2. So the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now 2 divided by 2, 4. So you will get 1 by 2 under root 1 by 2. And square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is 2. So you will get under root 2. So your value will be 1 by under root 2. Okay. Now under root 3, it is third. So it can't be factorized. You will write here under root 3 and the square root of 4 is 2. So you will get the value of sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. And when you will divide 4 by 4, so you will get 1 and the square root of 1 is 1. So here you will get the values of sine 90 is 1. So in the simple trick, you calculate all the 5 ratio. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by under root 2, and sine 60 is under root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Now what you will do? You have to write this value 1 here, and this 60 value is here under root 3 by 2, and this 30 value here, and this 0 value is here, and the sine 45 value and cos 45 value is same. So you will write in this fashion and you can get the value of sine and cos all angles. Okay, so what you will do? First you have to write sine 0 value in cos 90 and sine 90 value in cos 0, sine 30 value in cos 60 and sine 60 value in cos 30, and 45 will be same. Okay, nice. Now we have to calculate the value of tan and cot. Okay, and what the simple thing is that tan is sine upon cos. Tan is sine upon cos. Okay, this is trigonometric formula. Tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. So you have to divide. How you have to divide? Sine and cos value. If you want to calculate the tan 0, so you will divide 0 by 1. When you will divide 0 by 1, you will get 0. When you will divide sine 30 value and cos 30 value, so here 2 by 2 is cancelled, only you will get 1 by under root 3. And when you will divide 1 by under root 2 and 1 by under root 2, so it will be cancelled out and you will get the value 1. And when you will divide under root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, so you will get here under root 3. And when you will divide 1 by 0, so you will get a number undefined. You will get a number undefined. Okay, now again we will same the procedure. This 90 value you will write here, this 60 value you will write here, and this 30 value you will write in here, and 0 value you will write here. Okay, and tan 45 and cot 45 is same. So this is your answer of tan and cot. Okay, nice. And the last one is sec and cosec. Okay, so again we will write a formula for you. The formula is sec theta, and you know that sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So you have to just reverse and you will get the value. Okay, so first you will reverse the 1 reverses 1, under root 3 by 2 reverses 2 by under root 3, 1 by under root 2 reverses under root 2, and 1 by 2 reverses 2, and when you will reverse the 0 you will get again undefined value. Okay, when you will reverse the 0 means 1 by 0, again you will get the undefined. Okay, now in the final you will again 90 value you will write in here, this value is here, 60 value in 30, and again 30 value in 60, and 0 value is in 90. So, okay, and 45 value will be same. So this is the complete table of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec in 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. I hope you like this trick, how to memorize all the angles in trigonometric. Thank you.